Note making are of two types. One is branching and second one is linear. As far your syllabus is concerned, uh, we have to learn linear notes. In linear notes or in this method, we condense the material. Actually, we condense a paragraph or whatever the material we read, we have to condense it, and then we use headings, subheadings, and write down, and then we write down the most important pointers. For this, we use Roman letters like second, third, etc., and capital letters, capital letters, and that is uh, like A, B, C, and then we numerals, Arabic numerals like 1, 2, 3, etc. While making linear notes, the temptation is to copy out chunks of material. Means that the important thing is, or our focus must be on that we should extract the important things that will form our note. You should be careful to include only important pointers, because unimportant pointers we have to leave them. Linear notes can be made well only when you organize, classify, and divide the information effectively. Factual passages led themselves to the linear note making method, and there is a bit need of practice, and we can learn it then. For example, if we are going to mm, form a note of a settlement of a that Soliga settlement is a passage given in your this course in grammar and composition prescribed by the board. The headings which form are settlement, location, then number third is hut or huts. Then these are the main headings. Then, for example, in hut, there comes this for entrance. We can use here capital letter A, and then entrance, which type it is, what is the dimension of the entrance, what is the material that is used. We can use then Arabic numerals first, second, third, further divisions. And like there is a wall in hut, we will put it under the heading, subheading, that is capital letter B. Then again in wall we have to use the material, and it is height, and it is thickness, etc. That can be shown by this Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there is roof, it also becomes under this main heading, that is hut, roof. And you can, if you would like to write it as material, and this material, and string, etc., that can be put under these Arabic numerals. Then you know that there is then uh, other things. For example, door, we can write another this capital letter, for example door, and it is the it is the it is the main pattern of or layout of this note making. and by cursory look we can at once learn about this settlement which is called this Soliga settlements, and instead to go from beginning to its end to read all the things, and that is very cumbersome process to keep each and everything in mind. Here only main things will be remembered, and they will become concrete in a form of concrete form, concrete pattern, and you will at once when you have to make this note, when would you like to see this topic, you have to look, or you have to see these very important things at once. This Soliga settlement comes in your mind. No need to that root learning or that mm, traditional way of memorizing things. There is no need of this lengthy process that is time consuming and also is not reliable, and you can uh, forget it at the time of exam. Therefore, uh, this not only uh, makes you to score in your exam, but you it will also help. It is a skill, how to develop this skill, and then how will you use it in making notes in other subjects like this science or whatever it is, arts, etc., and it will help you in the long run. Thank you.